This is a spinach and avocado DIY hair mask. You're going to need 1 bunch of spinach, a ripe avocado, and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, or any type of oil you prefer. So you'll be removing all the stems from the spinach and make sure that it's washed and clean. Then you cut up the avocado in half. I use the whole avocado just for that extra moisture. Add it in the blender together with the spinach. Pour the coconut oil, mix it up in a blender, and you get this thick and creamy hair mask. It's something you can eat as well. It's so delicious and yummy. So I'll be applying this on my very dry hair. Hey guys, I've parted my hair in sections. Make sure you use an old t-shirt because it will get messy. So why spinach and avocado? We all know that spinach is good for us to consume for its many benefits, including hair growth. So I figured, why not include it in my hair regimen? Spinach is a good source of vitamins B and C. This increases the level of collagen in the scalp, which directly affects hair growth. Spinach is also a good source of iron. Oxygen also reaches the hair follicles in the right amount due to getting the proper amount of iron to the hair. It also improves blood circulation on your scalp, and it's very beneficial for those with very dry hair. I use this a lot during the winter season because that's when I experience very dry hair. Our second ingredient, which is avocado, is a source of protein, amino acids, and vitamins. It helps soothe the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. When it comes to moisture, avocado is my go-to. It also revitalizes the hair, giving it shine and softness. It's a great source of protein, and we all know our hair does need some protein from time to time. I also added coconut oil because my hair was extremely dry and I have some split ends which I will trim as soon as my hair is washed and dried. I know some people don't like coconut oil, and that's okay. You can use any oil. As I mentioned before, I use it mainly for my very dry hair days. Otherwise, castor oil is my go-to. My hair is already feeling the moisture. Look at those curls, honey. Yes. If you see my lips moving a lot, that's because I have conversations with my hair, guys. So don't judge me. And I wrap my hair with a plastic wrap. You can use any type of plastic. I just found the plastic wrap to hold the product more. And you'll be covering that up with the shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes and wash and condition as usual. And it is the next morning. I am taking down my 2-strand twists, which is my go-to protective style on wash days. My hair is so soft and moisturized, and it's feeling and looking really good, guys, compared to how dry it felt. And I have styled my hair. If you guys want a video on how I achieved this look, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I absolutely adore this hairstyle. Alright, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.